The transition from summer to fall is a great time to get your house ready for winter. Do checks at your house to make sure you're energy efficient, and also just be sure that everything's in good condition to weather the storm. Taking care of your furnace is the most important thing you can do in the winter time, and what we hear from heating and cooling contractors is the most common reason for them getting an emergency call for no heat is because the furnace wasn't properly maintained. So investing in a checkup this fall that costs anywhere from $60 to $100 is money well spent. Unless you're looking for unwanted guests this winter, it's going to be important to make sure your house is sealed tight. First step is to walk around the exterior of your house and look for any small cracks or holes. And remember, even the tiniest crack can be inviting to unwanted guests. So get your caulk gun out and make sure they're all sealed tight.
If you have a roof problem, it's going to obviously let water in the house eventually, which can damage the underside of the roof deck itself, what the shingles are nailed to, as well as drip down and get onto the interior drywall of the house, the structure itself. The easiest way to see if you have a roof problem from the interior house obviously is to inspect the ceilings. You can go up in the attic and see if you see any dark spots or stains on the underside of the roof itself. The primary problem if you don't clean out your gutters is that the downspouts will clog. Leaves and debris will get into the gutters. They'll work their way over to the downspouts and keep water from draining out of the gutters, which will cause the gutters themselves to overflow, causing excess moisture around the perimeter of the house.
Then on the inside of your house, walk around and check windows and doors. An easy way to do that is to take a candle, and if the flame flickers near the window, you're going to need to provide some extra sealant on those windows.